After 2 years at Oregon, 2 years at Memphis, and now playing for the Razorbacks, who are coming off of an impressive win Wednesday against LSU. Nelson off the mark from deep.
We have a league full of outstanding SIDs, and Mike Kaywood leads the charge.
There's Sears in the corner for his first field goal attempt.
Tom, go back and grade any game film. So many points are decided off those out of timeouts. Playing like the lane's on fire allows Ellis to get inside with his spin move.
Pringle off balance, earns a whistle. Bama gets it back. Here's Diabate, jam. And an advantage for Bama on the run out. Reitzel beats Battle and spins it in.
Timeout Arkansas, no doubt. The 7'7" wingspan just ate up the ball.
Battle loses it, trying to feed it inside. Numbers for the Tide. Reitzel for 3. And here's Estrada now. Estrada behind Pringle. Nelson with a little nifty move.
Tom, that's what Alabama calls a go catch. You catch the ball on the move, no hesitation, just go. Really well done by a kid that's 6'10".
5-point game, a game that Arkansas once led by 15. Brazil pull up 2. Those are the shots that went in the first half for Arkansas. Low percentage, and they're not going now.
Kind of just was not a good shot at this point of the game by Brazil.
Estrada still has an impact to this game offensively. He remains scoreless. And a dump inside. Nate Oates trying to get the student section up and involved. He sent out a plea to them late in the week to please come to the game because spring break has already started here in Tuscaloosa. Loose ball. Here's Bama now with Estrada leading the way. Reitzel sidestep 3. Got it! Mismatch with Sears. Battle for 3. But despite the fouls, Alabama survives that defensive possession. Reitzel. Got another!
Of course. I mean, that one guy you can't lose in transition if you're Arkansas, and you just lost him. For a finesse jumper, you pound it inside. Reitzel right there, just, I don't know what Tremont Mark was thinking. He gets buried in transition.
Free throws. Here's Sears.
Tom, it took us a while to get there, but another intense battle in the SEC on the last day of regular season play.
Estrada gets turned around. Went around Pringle and lays it in for his first bucket of the game. And it got clock. Mitchell down. Mark sidestep 3. Rebounded by Estrada. Bam on the run. Estrada through the lane. Here's Walters, the freshman.
Not upset with the call, just that, golly, that's 3 points we'd love to have right now total with the 3s that are called 2s. Davenport with it. Working against Walters. Let's fly from deep. That's no good. Long rebound. Pringle hands it off to Sears. Bama down 5, pushing it ahead. Mark near side. Estrada. One more. Walters to the rack. Laid it up and in. Sam Walters' first field goal. And Bama's to within 3 with 9:15 to go. Brown, he goes with it to Battle. Battle working against Walters. Battle nearly lost it, but it gets it shuffled over to Ellis. Ellis driving, spinning, shooting. Wild shot. No. Rebound Pringle. He got another one. Here's Estrada. Bama needs a 3 to tie. Estrada front court. Estrada the top of the arc. Got tripped by a teammate, I thought, but they're going to say it's on Ellis. Pushing over, giving it off right side. A deep 3 is no good. Weak side rebound Nelson. Outlet pass Estrada. Estrada working front court. Estrada near side. Going underneath the basket. Off the glass and in. And Alabama is back to within 3. To Mark, top of the arc. Mark throwing it down to Mitchell. Defended by Estrada. Mitchell spinning baseline. Poked away and stolen. Estrada got the steal. Saves it to Pringle, who gives it back to Aaron. And the Tide brings it ahead. Estrada driving. Goes down the lane. Steps through. Off the glass and in. It's a one-point game. 5:20 remaining here in Tuscaloosa.
Aaron Estrada doing it on both ends. He was matched up with the 6'9" Malachi Mitchell, able to pick his pocket. That started the Bama fast break.
Mart working against Estrada. Mart working on the wing, driving down the lane, off his leg, out of bounds, or they say it's off Alabama. Wow. Aaron Estrada thought he got the deflection off the leg of the Razorback. Instead, they said it was off of Aaron's foot. 5:03 to play, 14 on the shot clock, and they showed the replay, and that was butchered. Based on the reaction, it was not accurate.
Yeah, you could see it on the replay.
It's not even close. Another tough one goes against the Tide. They inbound it, then they lose it out of bounds, and Bama's got it. I don't know if there was any poetry to that, but there was indeed justice. 5:03 to play. Bama picked up by Sears and then Nelson. Now Mark pushes it ahead. Bama looking for its first lead. Sears circles away from traffic to Nelson. Back to Sears. Sears working against the bigger defender Mitchell. Sears on the near wing. Crosses over. Down the lane. Back out Estrada. Estrada. Bounce pass inside. Pringle got fouled. A late whistle, and he'll go to the line. Final regular season contest. Estrada trying to go baseline. Cut off. Flips it to Pringle. Pivots. Looks. Pringle. Backing down. Giving it to Nelson for three. No good. Rebound. Walters claims it. Puts it up. Got it. Sam Walters. Back-to-back buckets. A three. And then a rebound to lay it in. And Alabama leads by 2. 80-78 with 2:37 remaining. Looking. Crossing right. Giving it off to Pringle. Pringle, a dribble to his left, a handoff, Estrada. Estrada the drive, the runner off the glass, yes. How about the poise of Estrada? He had an open three, but he's not been good from there today. He drove it to the bucket. He got it to go, and Bama leads by 2 with 1:50 remaining. He will try to help deny anybody coming to the ball, including Sears, or especially Sears. Bama's got to hurry. They get it into Mark. Mark will flip it ahead. Walters will drive in to the rack for the flush. Bama by 4 with 3 seconds to go.